Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the secrets of love, attraction, and everything in between. If you're going through a tough time because someone you cared about walked away, you're not alone. But what if I told you that you could actually turn the tables and have them chasing after you instead? Yep, it's possible. Stick around as we dive into the 5 powerful things you can do to make someone who left you want to come back running. Let's get into it. 1. Focus on yourself first. Step number 1 is all about focusing on yourself first. When someone leaves, it can feel like your world is falling apart. But here's the thing, you need to shift that focus back to yourself. Start by working on your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Hit the gym, pick up a new hobby, or start a new project. Show them that you're thriving, not just surviving. People are naturally drawn to others who have a positive and attractive energy. When they see that you're not desperate or clinging, but instead growing and becoming a better version of yourself, they'll start to take notice. Confidence is magnetic, and trust me, nothing makes someone want to come back more than realizing they might have underestimated your potential. 2. Create a little mystery. Step 2 is to create a little mystery. One of the biggest mistakes people make after a breakup is staying too available. If you're always there, replying to their texts in seconds, or liking every post they make, it shows that you're still holding on. Instead, create some distance. Don't be so quick to answer calls or messages, and don't let them know everything about what's going on in your life. Mystery breeds intrigue. When they don't know what you're up to or who you're spending your time with, they start to wonder and imagine all sorts of things. This curiosity can make them start thinking about you more often, and before they know it, they're missing you and the connection you once shared. 3. Show them you've changed for the better. Next up, show them you've changed for the better. People often leave relationships because they feel like something was missing or that things got stale. If you keep being the same person you were when they left, there's no reason for them to reconsider. But if they see a new, improved version of you, that's when things start to shift. Maybe they thought you were too clingy, and now you're more independent. Or perhaps they felt like you didn't have a clear direction in life, and now you're on a path to success. Whatever the case, show them that you've grown. And remember, this isn't about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. When they see these positive changes, they'll start to wonder if they made the wrong choice. 4. Use social proof to your advantage. Step 4 is all about social proof. People are naturally influenced by the opinions and actions of others. If they see that other people are finding you attractive, interesting, and valuable, they're more likely to want you back. So, how do you use social proof to your advantage? Start by surrounding yourself with supportive friends and engaging in activities that highlight your strengths and positive qualities. Share moments on social media that show you having fun, learning new things, or achieving goals. Be seen with other attractive people who appreciate you. When they see that others are drawn to you, it can trigger a fear of missing out, making them want to be a part of your life again. 5. Give them the chance to miss you. Finally, step 5 is to give them the chance to miss you. This might be the hardest step because it requires patience and restraint. After someone leaves, our natural instinct is to reach out, explain ourselves, or try to fix things. But often, this just pushes them further away. Instead, give them space. When you pull back and give them time, it allows them to reflect on what they lost. They'll start to remember the good times, the unique connection you had, and the qualities that made you special. And when they see you moving on and thriving without them, it creates a powerful contrast. Suddenly, the grass isn't always greener on the other side. This is when they're most likely to start chasing after you again. 6. Final thoughts. So, there you have it. 5 powerful steps to make someone who left you start chasing after you again. Remember, the key is not to play games, but to genuinely focus on becoming the best version of yourself. When you're confident, mysterious, improved, socially validated, and giving them the space to realize what they've lost, you set the stage for them to come back. And hey, if they don't, that's okay too. These steps aren't just about getting someone back. They're about empowering yourself and moving forward with or without them. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.